Today I'm going to show you how to install CCleaner on a Mac computer. So first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Then type in CCleaner. And you're going to want to click on this link, the www.ccleaner.com. Once that web page loads, go ahead and click on Free Download. Then scroll down and then click the word Download. Once that file downloads, go ahead and double click on it. Once this window pops up, go ahead and drag and drop the CCleaner icon into the Applications folder. Alright, so you can go ahead and close this window. Close out Chrome since you won't need it anymore. You also won't need the CCleaner installer anymore, so you can go ahead and click on Eject CCleaner. Then go ahead and open a Finder window. Click on Applications. Look for CCleaner and go ahead and double click it to open it. Then go ahead and click on Open. Close that window. Okay, it'll also ask you for full disk access required, so go ahead and click on Open System Preferences. Make sure the Privacy tab is selected. Look for full disk access. Click the lock to make changes. Enter your password. Then look for CCleaner and go ahead and check the box. Click Quit Now. Go ahead and click the lock again. Close Security and Privacy. You can close that out. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching.